Like and subscribe to support the channel. Donations welcome.
The initial excitement of securing employment and establishing a foothold in a new country gradually gives way to the more complex matter of navigating the immigration system. One of the most significant milestones on this journey is obtaining a green card, the coveted document that grants permanent residency in the United States. Understanding the various pathways to securing a green card is crucial, and the process, while often intricate, can be navigated with careful planning and sound legal advice. The most common routes to permanent residency fall broadly under three categories: family-based immigration, employment-based immigration, and other categories, which include asylum, refugee status, and certain special immigrant visas. Each category presents its own unique set of requirements, complexities, and potential hurdles. Let's begin with family-based immigration. This pathway allows U.S. citizens and permanent residents to sponsor eligible relatives for green cards. However, the process is highly dependent on the relationship between the sponsor and the beneficiary, and the specific immigration quotas and wait times assigned to each family preference category. Immediate relatives of U.S. citizens, such as spouses, unmarried children under 21, and parents of U.S. citizens over 21, generally face shorter processing times than other family members. Other relatives, such as married children, siblings, and other extended family members, fall into various preference categories, each with its own wait times, which can span several years or even decades in some cases. Navigating the intricacies of family-based petitions requires meticulous attention to detail. A seemingly minor error in the application, such as an incorrect date or a missing document, can lead to delays, requests for further evidence, or even outright denial. The supporting documentation required for these petitions is substantial, ranging from birth certificates and marriage certificates to financial statements demonstrating the sponsor's ability to support the relative financially. Furthermore, sponsors must meet certain income requirements to prove they can financially support their relative without becoming a public charge. The financial aspect of sponsorship is often underestimated, and applicants need to thoroughly understand the criteria to avoid unexpected setbacks. The complexity is further amplified by the ever-changing immigration laws and policies. These regulations are regularly updated, making it challenging for individuals to keep abreast of the latest requirements. Consulting with an experienced immigration attorney is therefore highly recommended. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure that applications are completed accurately and efficiently, significantly increasing the likelihood of a successful outcome. Employment-based immigration offers another route to a green card. This pathway caters to individuals with in-demand skills and expertise, allowing employers to petition for their foreign employees. Several preference categories exist under this system, ranging from those requiring extraordinary abilities or exceptional achievements to those needing skilled or unskilled labor. Each category has its own specific requirements, making it crucial to understand the nuances of the chosen category. Individuals seeking a green card through employment often navigate a complex process involving labor certifications, which require demonstration of a lack of qualified U.S. workers to fill a particular position. The employer is responsible for filing these certifications, and the process involves detailed documentation of the job's requirements, the recruitment efforts made to find qualified U.S. workers, and justification for the need to hire a foreign worker. The entire process, from filing the labor certification to securing the green card, can be time-consuming, often taking several years. Successfully navigating employment-based immigration requires not only expertise in immigration law, but also a deep understanding of labor market regulations. Many individuals seeking employment-based green cards work with immigration attorneys and employer-sponsored legal teams to ensure compliance with all regulations. The employer's role in the process is significant, and their commitment and proper legal representation are vital to the success of the application. Beyond family-based and employment-based immigration, other avenues exist for acquiring a green card. Asylum seekers and refugees fleeing persecution in their home countries can apply for a green card after a certain period of time. This process involves demonstrating a well-founded fear of persecution based on race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. The asylum process is rigorous and involves detailed documentation of the applicant's experiences and credible fear of returning to their home country. Refugees, on the other hand, are individuals who have already been granted refugee status by the United Nations or another country and who are resettled in the U.S. They may be eligible to apply for a green card after residing in the U.S. for 1 year. The process for both asylum seekers and refugees requires careful documentation and strong legal representation to successfully navigate the complexities of the system. Other special immigrant visas, such as those for religious workers, certain investors, and victims of human trafficking, also provide pathways to permanent residency. Each category has its own specific criteria, requirements, and processes. Regardless of the chosen pathway, obtaining a green card is a lengthy and complex undertaking. It requires thorough preparation, meticulous attention to detail, and often the assistance of experienced immigration attorneys. The process can be emotionally and financially demanding, and navigating it without professional guidance can significantly increase the risk of delays, denials, or other unforeseen complications. Understanding the specifics of each category, the applicable laws and regulations, and potential pitfalls is critical to maximizing the chances of a successful outcome. The green card journey, though arduous, is a testament to the perseverance and hope of those seeking a new life in the United States, and with careful preparation and legal counsel, the dream of permanent residency can become a reality.
Like and subscribe for more content.